guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, okay, we are going to do a not so easy mod, okay. So what we're going to do, okay, we're going to wrap the roof of the car. Right, so as you know, okay, there has been a trend like this going on for years. Right, so a lot of people, they are, wrapping their car's roof, okay, to black color, to everything and all this, okay, and it looks nicer. Yeah, and BMW, okay, always has this very special edition, okay, for their M cars, okay, which is that they will have a carbon roof. So can you guess what we are trying to do? Yes, today we are going to wrap the roof in carbon fiber vinyl. Alright, so for those of you who have been here for a while guys, please subscribe. We are low on subscribers guys, okay, it actually keeps the channel alive and the content is free, so why not? Right, so what we did was, okay, we actually grabbed some vinyl. I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up. Yeah, this is I think the 5D or the 6D or the 7D, I'm not sure, okay. I don't really remember, I got to check on that one. Right, and all these carbon fiber vinyls, right, okay, it actually doesn't make any weight saving on the car, okay. In fact, it adds weight to it. Yep, so it's just for cosmetics, and it actually looks a lot nicer and cooler. Alright, so for today's episode guys, okay, we'll be trying to wrap this. It is my first time. Yeah, so it will take a bit longer than usual. Okay, I actually set aside, okay, a couple of hours to get this done, okay, for all you experts out there. I know it can be done in 30 minutes, 45 minutes and all this, okay, but the thing is, I'm not in a rush. Yep, so we're gonna do it slowly and show you how we do it. Alright, so for those of you who are new, guys, like and subscribe. For those of you who have been here for a while, like and subscribe, okay, and drop down a comment below, alright, on what you want to see on the next few videos. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to start this video. Okay, links to the items will be in the description down below. Alright, so let's go! Some good things to have guys, okay. This is something like a squeegee to squeeze out all the air bubbles, okay, and small magnets. Alright, so this will hold the vinyl in place, right, while you are peeling off and wrapping it.